Practice, practice, practice. That's what someone famous said during a news conference. And when I was young, my brother and I in St. Louis, we did a lot of practicing for our football skills. We would practice in our front yard, and it would be like kickoff returns and punt returns. We would practice our spin moves against each other, and it was just him and I, day after day, especially in the summer times, just practicing our skills. And now in that I'm in business and he is as well out in California, we are reminded every day that you have to be diligent when no one's looking, when no one's around, because when you're on that stage, when you're in front of that customer, when you're in front of that prospect, there's no time to wing it. It's time to perform. And that's what I help businesses do nowadays, is helping them perform with their customer experiences, their customer excellence, and being able to provide the value that they talk about. So it's now more than ever, it's time to be authentic and make sure you practice when no one's watching. So when they are watching, when those fans are watching, just like when my brother and I were practicing in the front yards of St. Louis, our football skills, and we both received full ride scholarships because of it to a Big Ten schools. It's the time to perform and be able to step up when no one else is watching, because when that time comes, it's time to really deliver. And that's why today, more than ever, do due diligence and do it when no one's watching every day. I'm Kendall Matthews. Keep moving forward, pivot, and ramp up.